Hello guys, welcome back to 10 of 10s, but for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your Frigidaire fridge code ERCE. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So, if you're getting the ERCE error here on your Frigidaire fridge, well, there are a few things that you need to understand here. Now, usually the ERCE error code here appears when there's a problem with the communication on your control board on your fridge here, and also to the components inside the fridge, which in this case, it's a failure between their communication between parts of your fridge. So, there are a few things that you could try doing here to possibly solve this issue, and also a recommended way. So the first way they could try solving this issue is by power cycling your fridge. So what I mean by power cycling your fridge is you want to unplug or basically cut off power from your fridge. Now if you can basically remove, or in this case unplug it from any power source, you want to go and just unplug it, wait for about an hour, and once the hour is up or a few minutes, you could go and plug it back in and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you don't have access to the actual plug, you may want to turn off the breaker on your home here just to cut off power from for on your fridge here, and just wait for a few minutes or an hour. And once the time is up, you're going to turn it on again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if this does not solve the issue, while power cycling your fridge here, you may want to also defrost. So what I mean by defrosting here is you need to remove any frost inside your fridge. So for example, you can leave it unplugged and opened for a whole day, just to make sure that you fully drain the power, and also remove any frost that may have built up inside. Now, in this case, once the day is up, or once you've defrosted it, you can go and plug it back in and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually works and it's not working totally, well, in this case, the best and last thing, or the recommended way here that I would recommend you to do here is to basically contact a technician. Now, you may want to contact Frigidaire support or official, in this case, help center, in order for you to get assistance, or getting you connected with a technician that knows how to fix your Frigidaire fridge here. Because most likely you may need to replace the actual control board here, and I would not recommend you to do it yourself, because again, a professional is a better option for you, just in case so that you don't break any other parts inside of it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at 10 of the inspo. Thank you for watching.